Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to add multiple videos on our Instagram. And all you have to do is to launch the CapCut. And then while you're here, you're going to tap on your project. You're going to choose your video. Like for example, for me, I'm going to choose this one. And then I'm going to choose this one. From there, I'm going to tap on add. And it's going to direct me here. From here, I'm going to scroll down or scroll horizontally, and then I'm going to tap on aspect ratio. Going to make sure I have maybe it into line 16. Going to tap on this tick from there, as you can see. And then once you're done, all you have to do is to make sure that you have deleted like this that is here. Let's say from there, I'm going to tap on split, then we're going to delete this that is here. I'm going to scroll even to the end and make sure you've deleted to remove that CapCut background and to tap on delete. And then from there, you're going to tap on export. You're going to wait for it to finish exporting. And then from there, you're going to tap on Instagram. Which it's going to share to your Instagram. Tap on Instagram, then you're going to tap on either Reels or Feed. So for me, I'm going to choose Reels. It will open my Instagram account and it will direct me here. As you can see, this is how it looks like. So going to edit the video and see how it looks like. As you can see, it's both the video that I had on the other video ad and the same place. I'm going to tap on this. And then from there, I'm going to tap on OK. I'm going to add the hashtags. And I'm going to add the hashtags, right, captions, if I do have them. But in the case, if I don't have them, I can just either share or just save as draft. So for me, I'm going to tap on share. And it will be shared, as you can see. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video.